Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how you can delete your Prime Video account of yours. Now to do this, you need to open a Google browser and click open New tab. On the search bar, you need to type in delete Amazon account and press enter. Here you will have the very first link. You just click open that on the New tab. And on this page, you need to click on this link over here. Go to close your Amazon account. You click this link. This will direct you to the page where you will be able to delete your Amazon account. That is the Amazon Prime Video account of yours as well. So you need to log into the account first if you are not logged in. This will get you logged in, and once you have been logged in, what you need to do over here is you just need to go through all the information that has been provided to you. Now, if you just scroll down, you will see the option Prime Video as well. Now you move down to the very bottom of the page, and here you need to provide a reason. So click on the drop down menu and choose a reason, and then click on yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account and delete my data. Then click on close my account. Confirmation required. So for the final process, what you need to do is open the Gmail account on New tab. As to delete your account, you need to confirm at first. Here's the Amazon confirmation required mail. Click upon that, and here you click on confirm account closure. This will finalize the process and you will be logged out. Now your Amazon account has been deleted. So this is how you can delete your Amazon account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.